perineurium, and then the endoneurium. You got the axons and the myelin sheath, and then some Schwann cell nuclei. You can identify these all here on a cross-sectional view. On this same slide, if you go to another part of it, you'll see something like this. Now this particular section is a longitudinal section, kind of same neuron, same nerve, same classical arrangement, just now we're looking more longitudinally rather than cross-sectionally. You can still identify the axons. Most of what you're seeing here is all the myelin surrounding the axons. But periodically you'll see structures like this, and here's a really good one that stands out. No myelin, kind of where two axons, almost looks like two axons are butting up against each other. In reality, it's just a part of an exposed part of one axon. So this area right here would be our neurofibril nodes. And as you scroll through, you'll see there's a bunch on here. There's a good one right there. But as we scroll through, we can find, here's another one up here. There's a couple more right here. So you can find several of these neurofibril nodes spread out. Okay, so that's one of the things you want to look for. So you can see the axons, parts of the axons, you see the myelin sheath. You can even see some of the Schwann cell nuclei, these dark spots spread throughout. Okay, and then you got the neurofibril nodes. Now if we go to the outer edge of this section, you'll also be able to see the perineurium and the epineurium. There's some other things that you'll be able to see or identify on the slides. Okay, so one of the first things you want to do is go through the slides, make sure you can identify all these parts there that are listed on page 42. Skip over to page 43 next and answer a bunch of questions. And then page 44 goes over just a kind of a brief table of what we talked about in lecture last Wednesday. So you want to make sure you review all your sensory receptors. Use the diagrams from the textbook, chapter 13. And then we also have a few skin models. I pulled the skin models back out for you.